welcome to the next section of sequential and logic circuit design, and this is for another design that we have already done in the previous section, and this is design of NOR based JK latch and CMOS realization of JK flip-flop. I will do it very little bit explanation, because I will not go for truth table, because you can do that. It is your part, but I will explain only the design part, that how the logic is used. Okay, so first of all, we need the gate level design. Please, you whenever you are going to the design of JK flip-flop, please do the truth table, please do the gate level diagram, and please follow the chronological order that we have already mentioned, that how the design is happening, right? So using gate level design, using truth table, everything, draw the design, and after that verify the truth table also. So what is the schematic first that is needed for CMOS implementation? And please verify from any digital book, I am again saying. So this is your J and this is your K and this is your clock. I am designing this NOR based, you can do it NAND based also. Here it is NOR based. So this is Q and this is Q bar. This thing, and this is also connected to this part, and this is also connected to this part. I think that this is your visible, this is your R and S. Okay, so this is basically all about your NOR based JK flip-flop. Okay, so you have to design. Please see the harder level, it's a totally harder level of your SR NOR based or NAND based SR flip-flop. And so how we will design using CMOS. So this is the main concern, and here the simple way and or inverter logic we will apply, and or inverter logic. So pull down network is simple parallel bunches series connected, and pull up network is series bunches parallel connected. And please see very carefully that how I am doing the design, very carefully. Okay, so first of all, I will do the pull down section. Okay, so what are the inputs for K, for upper for two inputs, this K and J. For this is K. If I want to design, so there will be again two replica, these two section, this one and this one. For first section, what are the inputs? This K, this clock, and this is Q. After that, here it is Q bar is coming out, right? And for this section, this J, clock and Q bar, but from this section Q is coming out. So first of all, I will design for K. This will be K, clock and Q, and from the after section the Q bar is coming. Okay, fine. So this is the pull down network. Here it will be four NMOS. This is K, this is clock, this is Q and Q bar. So how we will do the design? This is K, this is clock, and this is for Q. Please do this design. It will be very compact, and it will be very easier in this way. So here I am putting the node name. This is for K and this is for clock. So what will be the output? The output will be Q, right? And here the another part that will be coming from this section. So for that section, that is Q bar, for that section I am drawing the one NMOS. Okay, So the same thing will be drawn for the pull up network also. One branch there is 3 PMOS and other branch there is one, there will be 1 PMOS. So how it is done? Yes, this way. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Okay. Now, please do the connection. So, this K is given to 1 NMOS. So, it will be connected to 1 PMOS also. Okay. So, clock, please left it out to do the short connection as I did it previously. So, this Q is connected to this NMOS as well as this. This is a Q section. So, this PMOS also. So I can say that this Q is connected to NMOS and PMOS. So it is designed using CMOS, right? And these two section is short because the Q bar will be connected over here, right? So the same thing, the same system will be replicated into the this section. And this is your Q bar. Yes. This is all PMOS. And this PMOS and this NMOS should be connected. These two are connected for clock as I did before. This is VDD, this is VDD, right? And here this is your Q bar, this is your J, and this is your clock, right? So J will be also given to the this section also, and this portion is coming to the Q bar. So Q bar is connected to this portion and this portion, and simply this Q bar will be also connected to this part and Q will be connected to this part. So this Q bar, this section is connected to this part and this section is connected to this part. Okay, so it's a very simple design but in a complex way. So this is the total JK flip-flop, NOR-based JK flip-flop. I have tried to design, but please do it of your own, otherwise you will not understand how the design is happening. So please do practicing. A simple advice from me. In the next lecture, I will complete this section by designing this D flip-flop and master slave flip-flop. So till then, please practice and understand that how latch and flip-flop are designed using CMOS.